Hi, Bella from Redpath here, and today I want to talk to you about our permanent style calf shelters that we manufacture and build nationwide. These permanent designs are popular with calf producers that have larger operations, with typically 400 or more calves per annum. These Redpath designs include New Zealand approved design engineering and will come with a producer's statement and design drawings to make the building consent permit process a straightforward affair. Redpath will complete the building application process on behalf of the customer for this range of buildings, and we also offer a full construction service if required. The main frame of the Redpath permanent calf shelters uses rectangular hollow section high tensile steel, and this gives us a long life and durable frame design even in high wind areas or snow load of New Zealand. The main frame of the building is pre-drilled by Redpath at our factory to ease assembly on site, and the framework is connected together using heavy-duty pre-drilled plates and 12mm bolts and nuts, giving our customers a reliable and strong building performance. The base of the poles is protected by a hot-dipped galvanized coating, plus they also include a 4mm thick polymer sleeve to totally isolate the steel pole from the ground and effluent. The clear Dura Tough roof of Redpath calf shelters offers a substantial advantage compared to traditional shed designs. The roofing allows the natural UV light to enter the building and provide a combination of warmth and floor drying. Sunlight is also nature's natural sterilization agent, and this helps the calf shelter's floor to remain cleaner and also harbor less disease. It also reduces the incidence of smell and lowers ammonia buildup levels. Dura Tough Clear roofing includes within its polymer a high-quality light stabilizer, and this often allows the roof membrane to last up to 10 years or more. Redpath designed these buildings to resist New Zealand's high wind conditions, and the Dura Tough Clear roofing is retained with the Dura Lock clipping system, which reliably secures the cladding to the building. For extra high wind areas of New Zealand, we offer an extreme wind kit, which adds additional bracing and cover tensioning parts. In warmer parts of New Zealand, we can also fit a white shaded cladding called Dura Shade. This covering will offer both shade and a cooler environment within the calf shelter. There is a small extra cost for this optional extra. The flooring choices inside a Redpath calf shelter are quite varied. Most operators use a combination of wood chip, sawdust, and post peelings, although some use sand, round metal, or pumice. There are two main choices for the layout of these permanent calf shelters. The first is to have a central covered drive-through feed lane as shown here. This option keeps the entire feeding out operation under cover and dry. The central lane will usually form the entry and exit race for the pens on each side, plus you can use the covered lane for equipment and service vehicles. The second option, which has gained popularity over the past 5 years, is to have an open-sided shelter where calves can move from the shelter out through the sidewall into an outside yard as shown here. The advantage of this style of shelter is that it offers a cost-effective way of increasing the space per calf, and this can reduce the potential for disease transfer. Also, this layout allows calves to have the choice of space outside or to seek shelter when they wish to. Feeding is completed by hanging the feeders over the outside pen fence or gate, although a downside to this layout is that staff and machinery continue to work outside. Ventilation is an important consideration for calf shelters. Air movement reduces the chance of disease buildup and also helps to keep the calf shelter's floor dry. Ventilation will also help moderate temperatures within the calf shelter during warmer months. The most popular choice for calf shelter ventilation is to include roll-up wall blinds on one sidewall or both sidewalls. The roll-up blinds can be manually operated or automated. Polyweave reinforced sheeting is used for the roll-up wall blind, which has good resistance to wear and tear. Another option is to include a roof ventilation system along the ridge of the shelter. The roof vent will allow the warm air that rises within the shelter to escape at the peak of the building, and this air movement will draw in cooler air through the side or end walls. Once again, the rack and pinion operated roof vent system can be manually controlled or operated by an automatic electric motor gearbox. The Redpath Environment Controller will monitor the internal temperatures and open and close the roof or the side ventilation systems based on temperature, wind direction, and wind speed. The controller will also close the vents automatically if it is raining. Other options that can be considered when building a Redpath permanent design calf shelter are side hanger eaves for weather exclusion, or a fixed windbreak sidewall, or end wall cloth screening, end sliding or roller doors, and vortex air stirrer fans for keeping the air moving inside the calf shelter. The most popular span widths of this design is the 11.2 meter and the 12.8 meter spans. You can connect side by side as many spans as required to make up a multi-bay calf shelter design. The sidewall height chosen is usually between 3 meters or 3.5 meters, although taller or shorter sidewall heights are also available. This calf shelter design includes heavy-gauge walk-through steel gutters. The gutters allow simple access to the roof for basic maintenance and will collect all of the available rainwater from the roof for your storage tanks. Redpath buildings are proudly designed, manufactured, and built in New Zealand. We have 16 construction crews based all around the country to efficiently construct and also service our buildings when the time comes. You can call us on our free phone number or email us at the contact details shown here. Or you can call in and visit our factory at 16 Bounty Place, Kelvin Grove, Palmerston North. Thank you for watching this video. We would appreciate if you like our YouTube channel or follow us on our Facebook or Instagram pages, as this way you can then receive the latest information, updates, or specials from Redpath as they become available. Thanks again, and let's talk soon.